Elon Musk's XAI has released something that is making the entire AI world take notice. Grok 4 isn't just another AI update. It is a system that's solving graduate-level problems at rates that would make PhD students jealous, building games in hours instead of months, and collaborating with itself using multiple AI agents working together like a research team. If you've been wondering what is the significance of the Grok 4 announcement and what it means for the AI world and real people doing real work, this video is for you. Welcome back to bitbias.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. And in today's video, we're dissecting something that has the entire AI community buzzing: xAI's Grok 4 launch. This is not just another AI model launch, because what Elon Musk's team unveiled on July 9th isn't just pushing boundaries. It's completely redrawing the map of what's possible with artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to break down Grok 4's revolutionary multi-agent system that's achieving superhuman performance on the hardest academic tests ever created. We'll explore the groundbreaking features like Voice Mode 2.0, real-time intelligence gathering, and native tool integration. Then we'll dive into the technical architecture that makes this all possible, look at the ambitious roadmap ahead, and discuss what this means for developers, businesses, and anyone working with AI. So let's dive in and explore what might be the most significant AI breakthrough of 2025. The benchmark revolution. Let's start with the numbers that have everyone talking. Grok 4 Heavy scored 50.7% on humanities last exam, a brutal 2,500 question assessment created by nearly 1,000 experts from over 500 institutions. To put this in perspective, human experts with PhDs typically score around 5%. This isn't your typical test. We're talking advanced mathematics like category theory, electrocyclic reactions in chemistry, and linguistic analysis that requires genuine reasoning, not pattern matching. Grok 4 didn't just beat human performance, it obliterated it. The single-agent version scored 38.6%, already 8 times better than humans. But when they unleashed the multi-agent version, Grok 4 Heavy jumped to 50.7%. That's a 10x improvement over human capability. The mathematical prowess extends beyond this exam. On AIM 2025, Grok 4 scored 91.7%, where humans typically get 4 to 6 out of 15 problems correct. On the Harvard-MIT mathematics tournament, it achieved 96.7%. These are numbers that seemed impossible just years ago. The multi-agent revolution. Here's what's truly revolutionary about Grok 4. It's introduced multi-agent collaboration. Instead of one AI solving problems, Grok 4 Heavy spawns multiple agents at test time, each approaching problems from different angles. Think of it as a team of brilliant researchers collaborating at superhuman speed. These agents don't just vote on answers. They share intermediate reasoning steps, cross-validate each other's work, and engage in true collaboration. The result? That 31% performance jump from single-agent to multi-agent versions. The system even exhibits meta-awareness. Agents can identify uncertainty in their reasoning and adjust their collaborative approach accordingly. What makes this significant is scalability. More time, more agents, better performance. This suggests a fundamentally scalable approach to intelligence that could be pushed to extraordinary levels. Real-world applications that actually matter. Beyond benchmarks, Grok 4 delivers practical results. In VendingBench business simulation, it achieved an average net worth of $4,694 compared to Claude Opus 4's $2,077 and humans at $844. More importantly, it sold 4,569 units versus humans managing only 344, indicating genuine strategic thinking. Medical applications show promise for saving lives. Grok 4 analyzes chest X-rays with accuracy meeting or exceeding human radiologists, identifying fractures and abnormalities across various imaging formats. Gaming development is equally impressive. Developers created complete first-person shooters in 4 hours, with Grok autonomously sourcing textures, creating 3D models, and even inventing gameplay mechanics like venting for 3,300 points. Scientific deployment is already happening. At the Allen Institute, it processes millions of CRISPR experimental data points to identify research directions. In finance, it handles real-time market modeling and forecasting using X's data stream for sentiment analysis and trend identification. If you're finding this video valuable, please hit subscribe. It supports the channel and helps us bring you detailed analysis of every major AI release, so you stay informed in this rapidly evolving space. Complete feature breakdown. What's actually new? Now let's dive into the specific features that make Grok 4 a genuine breakthrough, because the devil is truly in the details here. Multi-agent system, Grok 4 Heavy. First up is the star of the show, Grok 4 Heavy's multi-agent architecture. This isn't just theoretical, it's a working system that spawns multiple independent agents at test time. Each agent gets the full capabilities of Grok 4, but approaches problems from different analytical perspectives. The result? That jump from 38.6% to 50.7% on humanity's last exam represents a 31% improvement purely from collaboration. But here's what's fascinating. The system exhibits genuine meta-awareness. These agents can identify when they're uncertain about their reasoning and actually adjust their collaborative approach accordingly. Performance scales with additional test time compute, meaning harder problems can be tackled by deploying more agents or giving existing agents more thinking time. Voice Mode 2.0, the conversation revolution. Voice Mode 2.0 is where Grok 4 gets genuinely impressive for everyday users. We're talking about 50% reduced latency. That's the difference between feeling like you're talking to a robot and having a natural conversation. The system now features 5 distinct voices, each with unique characteristics that go way beyond simple text-to-speech. The flagship voice, Eve, deserves special attention. She has a sophisticated British accent, with dynamic emotional range that adapts to conversation content. During the launch demo, Eve whispered poetry, engaged in romantic conversation, and even performed an opera about Diet Coke. In comprehensive blind testing, users consistently rated Grok voices as less interruptive, more natural, and significantly calmer than existing alternatives. But here's where it gets interesting. Voice Mode 2.0 includes multiple personality modes: unhinged, romantic, and conspiracy options. This reflects xAI's philosophical approach of prioritizing expressiveness and user choice in AI interactions. Real-time X Research Agent, Live Intelligence. This feature transforms Grok from a static knowledge base into a live intelligence system. Grok 4 can browse X in real time, creating dynamic analyses of current events, trending topics, and social media patterns as they develop. This isn't just social media monitoring, it's comprehensive real-time intelligence gathering. The system can track breaking news, monitor market sentiment, analyze scientific publication trends, and identify emerging patterns across multiple information sources simultaneously. For business users, this means market analysis that updates in real time. For researchers, it means staying on top of developments as they happen. Native tool integration. Beyond add-on capabilities. Here's where Grok 4 fundamentally differs from competitors. Instead of bolting tools onto an existing model, these capabilities are embedded directly into the training process. The performance impact is dramatic. Accuracy jumps from 26.9% in text-only mode to 41% when tools are available. Current tool integration includes a built-in VS Code-like interface with real-time code execution, deep search technology for comprehensive information retrieval, and specialized code companion variant for programming tasks. But xAI isn't stopping there. They're planning integration with finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, and crash simulation platforms, tools that could enable engineering-grade design and analysis. API performance, enterprise-grade capabilities. The Grok 4 API isn't just powerful, it's designed for serious enterprise use. The system achieved 15.8% on the private V2 benchmark, more than doubling Claude Opus's 7% score and becoming the only model to exceed the critical 10% threshold. Enterprise features include 256,000 token context windows that can process book-length documents while maintaining coherent reasoning, real-time data integration that keeps information current, enterprise-grade security with dedicated account management, and comprehensive API documentation with SDKs for multiple programming languages. Game development. From concept to playable in hours. The creative capabilities demonstrated during launch were genuinely impressive. Developers created a complete first-person shooter game in just 4 hours using Grok 4's assistance. The system autonomously sourced textures from the web, created 3D models, developed game logic, implemented physics systems, and even designed AI opponents. But here's what caught everyone's attention. Grok 4 invented gameplay mechanics that weren't explicitly requested. The system added venting for 300 points in a way that felt natural and enhanced the game experience. Future roadmap includes Unity and Unreal Engine integration, automated game testing capabilities, fun factor assessment algorithms, and the ability to generate complete distributable game executables, scientific research integration, real-world impact. Grok 4 is already deployed in serious scientific research. At the Allen Institute, it processes millions of experimental data points to identify promising CRISPR research directions and generate testable hypotheses. In medical applications, the system has achieved top ratings for chest X-ray analysis with accuracy that meets or exceeds human radiologist performance in controlled studies. Financial applications include real-time market modeling, comprehensive risk assessment, cash flow forecasting with integrated market data, and sentiment analysis using X-platform integration for trend identification. 256K context window. Document processing revolution. The massive context window deserves special attention because it enables entirely new use cases. We're talking about processing book-length documents, maintaining coherent reasoning across extended conversations, analyzing complete legal contracts or technical specifications, and cross-referencing multiple sources simultaneously while maintaining context. This isn't just a bigger number. It's a qualitative change in how AI can assist with complex, document-heavy work. The technical architecture that changes everything. What makes all this possible is a fundamental shift in AI system design. Unlike traditional models that bolt tools on as an afterthought, Grok 4 has native tool integration, tools embedded directly into the training process. The impact is dramatic. Tool access jumps Grok 4's accuracy from 26.9% to 41% on complex problems. XAI plans to integrate industrial-grade tools like finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, and crash simulation platforms. We're looking at AI systems capable of engineering-grade design and analysis. Equally revolutionary is the physics-based reasoning approach. Unlike traditional language models that predict text patterns, Grok 4 uses reinforcement learning from first principles, with rewards tied to verifiable outcomes and physical laws. As Musk said, "Physics is the law. Everything else is a recommendation." This represents a philosophical shift toward reasoning grounded in observable reality rather than linguistic fluency. The roadmap that could change everything. XAI's roadmap could fundamentally reshape AI interaction. August 2025 brings a specialized coding model designed to compete with GitHub Copilot. September introduces Foundation Model V7 with fully multimodal agents processing language, images, audio, and action simultaneously, moving from specialized tools to comprehensive digital collaborators. October 2025 delivers AI video generation using their 200,000-plus GPU Colossus infrastructure. This could disrupt content creation with AI TV segments in Q4 2025 and full movies by 2026. Most ambitious is Tesla integration. Optimus V3 robots already use Grok Voice AI, targeting 5,000 robots in 2025, scaling to 50,000 in 2026. Tesla vehicles will receive Grok integration, creating a unified AI ecosystem controlling robots, cars, and digital life. Musk's long-term vision positions Grok 4 within civilizational advancement, potentially accelerating humanity toward Kardashev Level 1 and eventually solar-scale computational capabilities. What this means for you and the future. For developers, Grok 4 offers exceptional coding assistance through Cursor IDE integration that could transform how you write and debug code. Business analysts gain powerful financial modeling tools with real-time market sentiment analysis. Content creators can leverage rapid prototyping that compresses months of work into hours. Grok 4 establishes a unique competitive position with multi-agent capabilities and real-time data integration, offering an alternative approach, prioritizing capability and user flexibility. Leading experts increasingly converge on 2025-2027 AGI timelines. Sam Altman suggests AGI by 2025-2027, while Demis Hassabis predicts 5 to 10 years. Grok's mathematical reasoning, multi-agent architecture, and real-world performance support these optimistic projections. The fundamental question is how quickly AI capabilities will advance and what new applications will emerge from multi-agent and tool-integrated approaches. Grok 4 represents a significant technical achievement that demonstrates the power of multi-agent collaboration and native tool integration. It offers unprecedented capabilities that push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can accomplish. The multi-agent system addresses fundamental limitations of current AI systems through collaborative reasoning and cross-validation. Native tool integration and real-time knowledge access create capabilities that competitors cannot easily replicate. This breakthrough shows us a glimpse of where AI is heading, toward more collaborative, tool-integrated systems that can tackle complex real-world problems. What's clear is that we're witnessing a fundamental shift in what artificial intelligence can accomplish. What's your take? Are you excited about Grok 4's capabilities or concerned about the potential risks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI analysis that cuts through the hype to give you the real story. Until next time, this is bitbiased.ai, keeping you informed about the AI developments that actually matter.